Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're gonna draw some book characters. You wanna draw a book character? Okay, grab a paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with our big shapes first. So let's draw a big rectangle, like this. Perfect. Okay, now we wanna give our book a little bit of dimension. So we're gonna come back with a spine like that. Little curved line, and at the bottom, another little curved line. And then we're gonna draw a straight line all the way down, just like that. Perfect. We're gonna come in the back and draw a straight line back here, and then a little line down, and that's gonna be the back of our book. Now, inside this shape, we're gonna draw a bunch of lines to make pages, so watch closely. Let's draw one line here, and then come out with a page, and then stop, and we're gonna go down and connect it to that one. And we're gonna repeat the process. So up here, and down, back here, and down, back here, and down, and then one more here, and down. And there we have our little book. Okay, now that we have our book shape, we're gonna draw the character's face on the inside. So let's come down here and give some big eyes to our little character. And another big eye here. And then our eyebrows. Another eyebrow. And let's give this character some big pupils in the middle. And fill them in. And another one over here. And fill this one in. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, let's give this character a little smiley and maybe some round cheeks. And there we have a little book, but we're not done yet. Let's give it some arms and legs. I think that would be a good idea. Let's come down here with a leg. Let's have this leg sticking out a little bit and maybe he's waving it. And let's give an arm over here and another arm over here. And let's have his arms be waving too, like that. Now before we finish, let's do a couple more lines on the side. I think it needs that. And maybe if we want to make this look like a more finished book, let's give it some decoration on the front cover, like this. I'm gonna do some lines and some loops. But you can create your own design for the front. I thought this would just look nice and simple. And then I'm gonna give some details, just little dots and lines for some texture. And there we have a finished book character. Yeah! You did such a good job today. Thank you for following along with me. Come back again soon and we'll draw. Bye! If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!